Okay, are you ready? Okay, fine. Okay, children. In previous class, we had learned some of the words which is using in front of the naming words, right? Before the naming words or with the naming words, which are they? His, her, their, our. Okay, I told you these words shows, these words show the belonging. Okay, ഉടമസ്ഥതയെ കാണിക്കുന്നു. Okay, children. Now, in today's class, you can see some of the words here. These words also very familiar to us. Okay, like yes, see, I. See, I'm a girl. I'm a boy. See, I'm coming from this place. Okay, I'm studying in this class. So I is very familiar to us. Okay, familiar to me or you. Okay, then I means yeah. Okay, then we also very familiar. We, see, we are Indians. Huh? We are going to school. ഞങ്ങൾ. Okay, you are my friend. You are my friend. നിങ്ങൾ. Okay, then he is very familiar. Okay, അവൻ. He is very good. He is very smart. He is my friend. He is my best friend. Next one, she also. He means avan. She, aval. Okay, in female we say aval. Okay, it we use with a yes. If you want to say about animal, birds, trees, things, we use it. Then they, our. Okay, so children, these words are very familiar. See, always when we read our textbook, okay, when we read English newspaper, then everywhere, when we read storybook, everywhere we can see these words. Okay, children, let me say these words means I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These words always we use instead of naming words. Clear? Let me say once again. These words means I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These words always we use instead of naming words. Okay, instead means pagaram or in the place of naming words. Naming word in the pagaram namukku ഉപയോഗിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. Okay, let me show one example here. See, Sheila is a nurse. Sheila is a nurse. Sheila is a nurse. Which is naming word in this sentence? Yeah, this one is the naming word. Then again I want to say about her. See, about Sheila. Sheila കുറിച്ച് എനിക്ക് വീണ്ടും പറയണം. Then how can we say? Yes, I want to. അവൾ വളരെ സ്മാർട്ട് ആണ് എന്ന് എങ്ങനെ പറയണം? Okay, then she is very smart. See, she is very smart. See, instead of or in the place of Sheila, we can use this word she. Okay, so otherwise we can use here like this. She is a nurse. Like this also we can use. ഇങ്ങനെ ഉപയോഗിക്കാം നമുക്ക്. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. Then here, Madhu lives in Patna. So, Instead of Madhu, we can use he lives in Patna. He lives in Patna. Why do you use he? Why don't you use she here? Because Madhu is a male. So with male we use he. With female we use she. മെയിലിനൊപ്പം നമ്മൾ he എന്നും ഫീമെയിലിനൊപ്പം she എന്നും ഉപയോഗിക്കും. Okay. So one more thing. Then children, so just understand this. These words we use in the place of naming words. Okay, which are the naming words we know. Okay, children, now you can take your textbook page number 32. Okay, all of you take. I hope you have textbook with you. All of you children, take your textbook. Sheila is a nurse. Sheila is very kind. Madhu lives in Patna. Madhu is my cousin. Okay. Now read this like this. Sheila is a nurse. I told you she is very kind or she is very smart. Madhu lives in Patna. Then he is my cousin. He is my cousin. Okay. In the above sentence, he and she are used in place of naming words. Okay. He and she we use in the place of naming words. Which are the naming words? Sheila and Madhu. Children, I told you here also we can use, and then if you want to write one more sentence here, there, in the place of naming word, we can use he or she. Okay, according to that naming word. Okay, now you can now learn how these words are used. എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇത് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് നോക്കാം. How these words are used. Then word I. See, I we can use both male and female. I മെയിലിനൊപ്പം ഉപയോഗിക്കാം, ഫീമെയിലിനൊപ്പം ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. Here I we can use with the male and female. Male means aunt and female pen. See, we already learned. Then I we can use with a one. More than one we can't. Okay. With a single person. With a single person we can use I. Never use with more than one. Clear? Second one. We can use with a yes male and female. Male noppom female noppom ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. Then we always use this we with more than one. Never use with a one more than one. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കാവൂ? We ഉപയോഗിക്കാവൂ. We can use with a male and female and yes more than one. Okay, never use with a single one. Okay, then you we can use as I with both female and male and one and more than one. One inopom you ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. More than one ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും you ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. Clear? Remember that. Then next one he I told you he always we use with a yes male. Then he we use with a one, not more than one. Okay, she we use with a female. ഒന്നിനോടൊപ്പമാണ് she ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. Then we use with one, not more than one. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ she എന്ന് ഉപയോഗിക്കോ? No. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ he ഉപയോഗിക്കോ? No. So it I told you it we use with animals or things. Animals or things. Then it we use with one. ഒന്നിനൊപ്പം. For example, animals or cows. Okay, just take cows. Cows ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ it ഒന്ന് ഉപയോഗിക്കോ? No. Cow ആണെങ്കിലോ? Yes, we use it. So it we use with the animals and things, then with the one. Okay. Next one, they. They we can use with the yes, animals. Persons, animals, and things, and use with more than one. Clear? So this paragraph is very important. This is very important, children. This table is very important. This table tell us where we use these words. These words means these words where we use. This table tell us where we use these words. So this table is very important. Just read and learn very thoroughly. Okay? Clear, children? Okay? So these words are we use with the in the place of naming words. Then where we use these words, it's given in table. So just to read 10 more, it's just minimum 10 times and learn this. I will ask. Okay, children? Let me wind up. Then exercise we can do in the next class. Okay, just to read this page number 32 very clearly. Then learn the table. Okay. Okay, let me wind up today's class. Do this works what I said. Okay, see you in the next class.